You'll notice we've got a new button, Post to Yammer. Now, what this button is really doing is creating an activity story in Yammer, which lets me see and talk about and socialize these documents. Here it's just showing up. I'll join marketing. It did not show up. We can see that the documents have shown up even in Yammer search. So now we're searching documents that are not only in Yammer, but are documents that were shared from SharePoint. I can click on that document and go to a page in Yammer for this object. Now, even though what we're showing is a file here, this could be any object from SharePoint or any other application in the enterprise. We've got conversations about it, we've got recent activity, we've got related content on it, and we've got all of the followers. You can even embed these conversations and this activity back into other applications. So the next thing, so that's something that you can do today with Yammer and SharePoint. Next, I want to show you something we're working on. Here, now, most of you store most of your files in SharePoint. And yet in Yammer, you can already post and talk about files in Yammer. What we want to do is make it really easy to share and talk about the files that are in SharePoint today, even easier than what I just showed you. So here I am in a group in Yammer. I'm going to go ahead and click Add a Document, and as you can see, we've got a new option. We're trying to select a file from SkyDrive Pro. Bam! This is a set of files from SkyDrive. I can create a new message. Here it is. Boom. Now this file is not in Yammer. This file is still in SharePoint, and yet I can click Preview and get a full fidelity preview from within Yammer. Better yet, I can go to the file, again see the preview, see related content again, see the conversations, see versions, see the followers. I can even click to edit the document right in line. But even more amazing, now we've got these files in Yammer. Let's say I'm another person, and what I want to do, I'm using SkyDrive Pro, and I'm syncing all my team sites to my desktop. Well, here's that same file on my desktop. I can double click it, open it in Word, and now I am in a collaborative editing session from my desktop in the Word client with somebody who's also editing the document online in Yammer. Now, this is just a preview of some of the deeper integrations we're working on. We're obviously working on many, many more that'll be even more interesting. And the last thing I want to show you is the Windows 8 application. We want to make sure that your social experience can be available for anywhere, in context, that you can access it on whatever device you want in a manner that's suited for that device. So we are working together to create, that's it, a native Windows 8 app. So as you see, I've got my Surface here. Everybody's got their Surface? Everybody? No? Okay. Whew. Looks like 2 people have it. I know you all have it. I know you're just being shy. We can see we've got our Yammer tile here. Click on Yammer. And what we're looking at is a Yammer feed rendered in the modern UI. Totally native, super smooth. Click in, I can see replies and messages. Obviously I can reply. I can post new messages. So that you can take your social conversations wherever you are, wherever you go. So I've shown you a couple things. I've shown you what you can do today.